Three red roses for you, my dear.
Wow! You're so sweet, romantic, and thoughtful, my boyfriend. Why nga gintuguruan mo ako kang 3 red roses, sweetheart? Siguro, ihambal na karon kanakan ka siya. I love you. Kaya ang meaning kang tatlo is I love you. Wanang gintuguruan mo kita ko kang tatlo ka rosas ha, sweetheart?
Kay hindi man pwede ka bakal kang saralang, darling. Actually, tag-3 gidri amo. Barato lang, no?
I hate you.